In today's video, I am going to share a very effective morning drink to get rid of stubborn belly fat quickly. If you're attempting to lose belly fat, you can start your day with this easy weight loss drink, which is super easy to make. Before we go ahead with this simple drink, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more weight loss and fitness tips. Ingredients: 2 amla or Indian gooseberry. Amla contains a high concentration of chromium, which aids in the reduction of harmful cholesterol. Better digestion and bowel movement will increase your metabolism, finally contributing to the burning of belly fat. Curry leaves. Curry leaves helps in burning of calories and avoiding fat accumulation, which results in weight loss. 1 cup of water. How to prepare? First, we need to cut the gooseberries into small pieces. Then add them into a blender. Now add some curry leaves and a pinch of salt to it. Then add 1 cup of water and blend the mixture well. Now strain the mixture into a bowl and squeeze the pulp well. Our easy weight loss drink is ready. Drink this on an empty stomach. This helps to boost immunity and burns belly fat quickly. You will notice the result from the first week itself. Your belly fat will melt completely and you will get a flat stomach within 1 week. Try this effective drink and send your feedback in the comments below. If you love this video, please press the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our YouTube family. See you in my next video.